Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to build battery charger, and it can be used as a battery charger or power supply. Before we start, I want to thank you for 75 subscriber, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of batteries with BMS, but I don't have charger for them. I always need to build small charger and then make another one for the next one. So I wanted to build one charger that can charge all the batteries for me. So here is the items I did use, and you will find them all in the description. As you can see, those are DC to DC converter, and connectors and electric box. You can get those items for cheap from the internet. Here I did something before recording this video. With this trigger board, I soldered the 20V, so if you plug type C, it's going to take the 20 volts. And here is the others items I did use in the video, voltmeter and others plugs. This is the connection picture. You can see how I will connect the component together, and which wire go where. Here I decided where I should put the components, and switches and others things. And now time to make the holes for components. And now, we have the volts and amps meter installed. Here I made holes for the holders. So this is the 20 volt 5 amps input. If you want to place it, you need to make bigger holes. There is already holes in it. You just need to make them bigger. Here I made holes for the on-off switch and push switch. Now the switches are installed. Now I will continue making holes for the holders, and then place the components on the holders. After we did install all the components, there is still one thing, the output plug. Here is how it will look after we did install the component. Now time to install the output plug. Here I am going to do small thing, but it's important to do. I will connect both meters together and make sure the voltage are the same on both meters. If it's not the same voltage, you need to adjust it. Now everything on the box. Now we need to connect the wires together. Remember to follow the picture if you want to build this. Also, I did mistake with wires connections. It's with the diode. I placed the diode in the wrong place. So when we check the output amps, it's going to short the battery too. But we don't want to short the battery. Also make sure the wires connections are good. As you can see, if you click the red switch, the battery BMS will shut down. That's mean they're short. So I opened again and fixed the problem. Before we close the box, make sure this step-up converter set to 31.5 voltage. Now all good. The problem is fixed. I did test it again and all works good. There is one problem. If you want to charge big battery like this, you need to set the amps to 1 amps. Because if you want to charge a big battery, the type C protection will shut itself. But we can charge it with 100 watts if you plug the battery and then slowly increase the amps. Now time to tell you how this system works. If you click the red switch, it will tell you the amps, and with it you can adjust the amps. And the second voltmeter, I am going to follow it. If I want to charge my battery, I am not going to check the first voltmeter because there is diode between them. So the voltmeter with amps meter will show more voltage than the second voltmeter. Also, before you plug battery, adjust the voltage and then adjust the amps you want, and plug the battery. And here we are charging this heavy battery with 100 watts. Remember, if you want to charge big battery like this, charge it with shutdown. So increase the amps to 1 amps and connect the battery and then turn up the amps slowly. And now we are done. Thank you guys for watching this video, and bye.